A dream car. Yes, a dream car. Stunning design details and distinctive features built on an incredible heritage. Okay, focus. Yet luxurious, prestigious, and emotional, the new CLE Coupe is shaped by desire. Hey, Hannah, I just got the contract. Thank you. Any thoughts on this giant Mercedes-Benz container that just showed up in my yard? Low-positioned radiator grille with Mercedes-Benz pattern. Wow. Power domes on the bonnet. Frameless doors. Digital light. What else do we have? Hey, Hannah, I was actually just about to call you. The car arrived super early.
Early? I mean, the shoot is supposed to start in 10 minutes, no?
Wait, what do you mean?
What do you mean, what? That's the new CLE Coupe. The hero car for the Mercedes World premiere you agreed to direct and star
Yes, of course, I know. I thought it was supposed to start next week.
It is today. Please tell me this hasn't slipped your mind?
No, of course not.
Ugh, you had me there for a moment. They'll pick up the car tomorrow, so crunch time. Good luck to you and the team.
Hey, Oscar, how are you? Yeah, you know that shoot I asked you for help with the day after tomorrow? I just found out it's today. Yeah, are you available today by any chance? Oh, okay, I see. Hi, Sarah. I kind of messed up. Could you actually come ASAP? Matthias, how are you? You're at the beach. Okay. Well done, Madeline. Well done. Hey, Cole. I really need your help. Are you available to help me shoot something like right now? Please, 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 please. You're on your way. Thank you. You're a lifesaver. I'll see you soon. Now, what do we have here? Integral design seats with 7-zone massage. Hello, Mr. Carmasseur. Burmester 3D surround sound system with Dolby Atmos. 17 speakers? What? Cole, hi! Thank you so much. I really need to go. Keep your phone near you and I will talk to you soon. Thank you.
Wait, what? Call me! Hey, Madeline.
It says the new MBUX comes with routines so that the CLE Coupe can be adapted to your personal habits and has the option to install third-party apps.
Oh, Angry Birds? That's fun.
And the 11.9-inch center display. Sounds like fun.
Actually, it sounds like this.
It says here it's available as a mild hybrid and will come as a plug-in hybrid too. Also that it comes with optional dynamic body control with adjustable damping and 2.5-degree rear axle steering. Happy you're having fun, Cole, but sorry, I gotta run. Good luck with the shoot and don't worry, I will be with you every step of the way.
Welcome. We got the gear. We're ready to go.
Yes.
Let's do it.
A new dashboard design, the 12.3-inch all-digital instrument display, ambient lighting with lighting bands and 64 colors, and several different moods. Sounds just like me.
Hey, Madeline.
There's something I wanted to tell you. You got the wrong car.
Wait, wrong car?
You were supposed to do the CLE Cabriolet.
Which cabriolet?